2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming out there from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Dog Days Are Over, Florence and the Machine. So, cool, we're in standard tuning. We got two parts to this song. We got the main chords for the choruses, and we got that high part. Actually the same chords as the chorus chords, just high up instead of down here. So alright, so the song is in G major, 1, 2, 3. We got A minor, we do A minor 7, 1, 2, leave the G string open, and E minor, 1, 2. Okay, so the switching is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, A minor, E minor, G 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G. That's the chorus and the outro and all that stuff. And then when she's singing in the beginning, you can still play these chords if you want to, but they got like a mandolin going on, which is it's cool to learn this part. This is also a good way to learn about triads, which is 1, 3, 5. So we got a G up here, 7 G string, 8 B, 7 G. That's our G major triad. Then we have an A minor triad, which is 9, 10, and 8. And then we have an E minor triad, 4, 5, and 3. And I'm picking G, so down on G and then up on the E and B string. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, A minor and E minor. G 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. G 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A minor, E minor. One more time. G major. let's go to the big chords. That big breakdown, but it's the same chords. It's just 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, there it is. Dog days are over. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great acoustic hits. Thank you.